Hi friends, I'm Proton, and this is Atomic Phonics, where sounds spark reading. Today, we're visiting a sunny apple orchard. There's my squirrel friend, and our dragonfly too. Whoosh, here I come, and look what I brought. It's time for the sound treasure pouch. Every letter sound is a treasure inside this pouch. Ready? Let's open it up. Wow, listen to all those sparkling sounds. Look, the ants brought us a sign. It must be a clue. The sign says, A is for apple, and A says, ah. Say it with me. Apple. Wow, the letter A is filling the orchard with bright, magical colors. Now let's learn our A sound motion. Pretend to hold a big, juicy apple and take a big, crunchy bite while we say, ah. Remember your A sound motion, friends. See you next time.